I got this basic Sanjo power washer to clean the concrete patio and sidewalk. It's been 5+ years since we moved in and I never cleaned this concrete pad. And after cleaning this first section, I was impressed with what it is capable of. Now I'm just demonstrating with one hand how I've been using it. But using two hands give you more precision and is the way to go. I am really impressed with what this affordable pressure washer can do. I was not expecting that. If you're thinking about getting this pressure washer, consider using my link in the description below or the clickable tag on the video. This pressure washer is really easy and fun to use. My son decided to give it a try later on and he was able to handle it. I was able to run the pressure washer on my Patio solar generator while running my fridge, but once the fridge go into defrost mode, it was not able to run all of them since the maximum output for the model is 2000 watt. After that, I plugged the pressure washer into the grid to finish the job. If the fridge did not go into the defrost mode, it should be able to run it a lot longer or even finish the job. The solar generator should definitely be able to do this entire job without charging if the pressure washer was the only item it was powering. This is what the walkway and the concrete patio look like after cleaning everything. Then I decide to apply some sealant between the cracks so no more weight will go between them. First, I apply some sand between the bigger cracks so I would not have to use a lot of sealant. This is the sealant I'm using. I will leave link in the description if you're interested in using the same product or something similar. This is a self-leveling sealant. They do have some other color besides this gray. I realized I should have went with a different color while applying the sealant because it don't quite match the concrete color. And this is what everything looked like before. And this is what it looked like after everything was done. Again, if you're interested in buying any of those things you see, consider using my link in the description below. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.